Go to the Tools panel of Affinity Photo and select the arrow tool, or any of the other shapes. Set the colour and then apply. And you've got a variety of different options to vary that arrow. Then go to the paintbrush tool over here in the Tools panel, again there, and go to the brushes panel, and you can find that in Affinity Photos, View and Studio and Brushes, etc. With that selected, now apply the brush stroke, and as you do it you'll notice what happens. It's only applied to the arrow, not outside. So it's just simply, you can apply it again and again, obviously just there, and you can vary the colour. Don't have to go with black, of course. Maybe go here and say, you know what, I'll go with green instead, and apply the green there. Now if you want to say, well, it's not so easy particularly, I'm using a pen, of course, Artpad pen, much easier than the mouse. Say you want to do it at different angles. Well, what you can do, you can simply go over here to the move tool and make certain you select the arrow. That's the key thing. And then what you can do, you can rotate it, move it around like that. And then you can, of course, continue to apply your brush stroke. So just go over here to the brush and again, apply there. And you can see as you do that, it's there. Now you can notice what happens. It generates a pixel layer below. So you've got the arrow there and you can always deselect it. Don't want it, always remove it. But there it is selected there. And again, you can go back to the arrow, maybe apply various effects, maybe go to effects there, maybe give 3D effect, etc. What you can also do, you can apply other, so maybe go over here to the smudge brush. And I'm just going to select again that pixel layer. And what I can do, I can just very briefly just apply around there. And you can create a whole range of different designs. But of course, you can always go back to the paintbrush tool. So select that again, paintbrush, and maybe select, maybe not that one, but oils. Again, change the colour if you wish. Maybe go for white and apply it again. Select one of those, does help. And you can of course vary the settings of your brush if you want and apply it like that. And again, around the edge or whatever. If you want to modify this in different ways, you can move it around. You can see as you do that, just go to the pixel layer, move that around, position it somewhere else. So again, go back to your brush and apply again. Or maybe go to another brush and change that. Hope you found this of interest. Thank you much.